Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. I've got Brendan back with me today, and he's going to show us his
Camp chili.
camp chili.
It's real simple, easy, not a lot of steps. You do one of the main steps before. So before you would go and cook your chili at the camp or on the farm or on a tailgate, you would brown and season your meat, and then you would freeze it in a bag.
So it's already done ahead of time.
Yeah, it's done ahead of time. So when you get to wherever you're going to, you just put all these ingredients right in your pot, or in this case, we're using a Dutch oven, and you could cook it on one burner like we have, or even over a open fire. That would be good.
That would be good to be out there
Yeah.
on the farm with a pot of chili
That's
cooking,
right.
wouldn't it? So what did you season the meat with?
So I took a packet of taco seasoning
Taco.
and a packet of just a chili seasoning.
Like a chili-o or a McCormick or something like that.
Yep, and use that while it was browning, and then I let it drain real good. Then I put it in a like a Ziploc bag, and laid it out flat and put it in the freezer.
So if you put it in the freezer, then you can take it wherever you're going.
That's right.
And it should be thawed.
Put it in the cooler.
Cooler, yeah.
Then everything else we have here had in one bag, so you're not using up a lot of space if you're going camping or tailgating. You're not using up a lot of space.
There you go. And you're not worrying about cooking your meat and draining grease and stuff. All right, so let's just show me how you make this.
So we're gonna start. We're gonna start with some onions. We got about a cup of onion.
Yeah.
Diced onion. Add it.
Now it's got a little moisture because it was in the freezer.
And coolapenos I got from you.
Coolapenos. Yep.
Which we like a little warm, so if you want to use some jalapenos, go ahead.
Yeah, these have the jalapeno taste without the heat, and they are delicious.
We're just gonna let those cook for a minute and see all that good steam coming off of there. And
oh yeah. When you hear that sound, you know you're cooking.
Mix those up.
But you could really put anything in there that you wanted.
But you would have all of this kind of in different little bags or little bowls, something like that, little containers. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add 1 can of kidney beans, juice and all, everything.
I like kidney beans in my chili.
Get all of it out of there that you can. Set that to the side.
That good sauce.
Then we're going to add a can of black beans, juice and all.
Now, I do like black beans. Oh, wow. So this is really going to be a hearty chili.
Yeah. And these are the 15 ounce, 15 and a half ounce.
About 15 ounce cans. Okay.
So lay that right there. Get this stirred in just a little bit.
Yeah, when you start adding that, now it's going to cool your pan off a little bit, but that heat will pick back up.
Because we're going to let this go for a while. I mean, it's really your preference. You want your meat and your beans and all of it heated up. So really, it's according to how you cook this, how long it's going to take.
Yeah. For me, my thinking on it is, even though everything's cooked and you're just heating beans, actually, but the longer you let it simmer together and all those, it just all marries together.
Here I got a can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. This one has garlic in it, juice and all.
I like fire roasted tomatoes.
You can add something like rotel to it.
Oh yeah, that would be good, wouldn't it?
Stir those in.
Oh, that's looking good. I don't know if y'all can. Y'all can see in that pot.
Now, if you own a Dutch oven, you know what I'm talking about. Don't grab it. The whole cast iron Dutch oven is hot. Everything on it.
So be sure you use a mitt or.
Yep.
All
using
right.
it. So, oh, now we got bacon bits.
Bacon.
Or bacon
You
pieces.
cannot go wrong with bacon.
You know, if you're camping, it's good at that morning or the morning before. If you cook breakfast in your bacon, keep your leftover bacon and let it dry out and use it. So I like bacon, so I'm gonna put the whole pack in there.
There you go. And this is like the real bacon bits, not them little hard
And this is a small pack. This is a 3 ounce.
bits. It's like real bacon.
3 ounce pack.
Goodness.
This
is smelling so good already, and we've just begun.
Yep. So what I want to do now, because we added liquid and all with our beans, I want to go ahead and put in the meat before I put in the beef broth, because I don't want too much liquid, but I do want enough.
Okay, so that way you'll be able to judge how much broth you put in.
And remember, this meat was already cooked. So.
And that's what, about 2 pounds of meat you said?
Yep, it's about 2 pounds, and you can use any kind of ground meat that you like.
Do you think turkey or something like that would work well in this recipe?
I've never done that, but I don't see why not.
Because I know there's people that watch us that like turkey.
People make
in place
chicken
of
chili.
Beef.
Your beef.
I've not used turkey, but I bet it would be good. And
so, yeah, let's get this beef broth out. Now, if you don't want the beef broth in there, you can substitute it with water.
Oh, well, why would you when you can put beef broth?
That's
if
right.
you've got it. And I would say probably most people have all these ingredients on hand anyway.
Now I'm going to go ahead and use the whole carton.
You're going to use it all?
Yeah.
All right. And this equals to about 4 cups of liquid. 32 ounce box is what he's using here.
We'll get this mixed up.
Oh yeah, by the time you get it mixed up. Now this is going to simmer down and we're going to have a nice thick, we don't like liquidy chili. I've always made a thicker chili, and
like
that's
a
what
good
we
hearty
like.
chili.
Yeah.
Yep. So now we got everything added. There we go.
All right.
Let me get the lid here.
All right. So we'll let it simmer a few minutes, and then we're going to taste it for seasoning.
That's right.
All right. All right. Let this simmer for a little bit, and then we're going to come back.
Yeah.
And check it out. And then he will be testing it for seasoning. And if we add anything else, he'll let you know.
We'll check it. We'll check it throughout and give it a stir.
Okay, so how long do you think we're going to let it simmer?
Let's start out right now for probably 20 minutes.
Okay.
And check that. It probably won't be long enough, but because we want everything to get incorporated and all the different flavors.
Because you want the beans and the tomatoes to pick up all those seasonings from the meat.
That's really what chili's all about. Letting it get there and simmer for a while and get everything together.
Okay. Sounds good. All right. We'll see you in a few minutes.
We're back.
Yeah, if you could just smell it in here. This smells so good. I'm ready to see what it looks like.
All right. I'm not going to be able to hold this one up.
No. We'll have to hold the bowl up. Oh, my goodness.
There we go. You want me to dip some for you?
Yes, let's dip some. Oh, yeah.
Tell them what else we got there to go with it.
Oh, we're going to put some, we've got some cheese. Chili cheese Fritos. I love Fritos in my chili. What do you put in your chili? We like crackers also. But I found, and yes, this is a prepackaged cheese. It's 4-state cheddar. It's got shredded Wisconsin sharp, New York sharp, California mild, and Vermont sharp cheddar cheeses. That sounds good, don't it?
It does.
Ooh.
It's going to be good.
Yeah. I can't wait to try this. We've been smelling it. Now, we've let it simmer about 30 minutes.
Yeah, 30, 40 minutes.
let it simmer to your desired thickness. And but this is what we wanted.
Well, I do the cheese. You want to do the put the Fritos on them for me, and I'll do the cheese.
Yeah, see these bowls we got? I love these handles. And I got these when we were in Gatlinburg at Alwine's Pottery. And if you go around the Arts and Crafts Village, and
There you go.
oh, they're so, yeah. I want to put cheese first.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love cheese in my,
Probably melt a little bit better.
yeah. Tell me when. No more?
Yeah, I didn't say when.
And you know what else
There
is
you go,
good?
when.
What else is good in chili? I like sometimes a little chipped up onion or green onions.
Yeah.
Oh my word, yeah.
And here's what I like to do. Whether I'm using crackers or the chips, I like to put it off to the side.
Okay.
So I get me a good bite of chili. Then I get me a crunchy chip.
Kind of like pull it into
Yep.
your bite.
You want me to put some on yours?
Put
How do
some
you
on
want
mine. Do it just like you were saying you do yours.
Okay.
I can't wait to try this chili. I've not had it. And he's been telling me about it. So,
One more?
yeah, just a few more.
Already got them.
That's good. That's perfect right there.
Here you go. We'll show it to them now. How about that?
Isn't that beautiful?
Yep.
All right, let's try this
try it.
chili. I'm excited to try it.
Give me a couple of chips there, some cheese and some
The
chili.
perfect bite. A little bit of everything, right? Hot.
Mm-hmm. That's good. Look at that bite.
I know y'all hear my crunching. That's from those chips.
Good?
I could just stand here and eat this whole bowl right in front of y'all. I'm sorry.
Well, there's a little food you don't mind all over you, and chili's one of them.
That is amazing.
It is good.
That calls for the happy dance.
This is a Daggum right there.
That is a
Daggum Good Chili.
That is some Daggum Good Chili.
You know, maybe we should have called it that.
Daggum Good
Chili.
Chili. Yep, that's what we're going to call it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's so easy to make. And, you know, feeding your family is easy. It don't have to be hard, right? And he prepared his meat ahead of time. And then you're going camping, you're going tailgating, or just at home. You could have your meat browned and ground up and put in the freezer for whenever you're ready to make this chili.
That's right.
And everything else is just dumped from there, right?
Yep.
And let it simmer.
Everything, either in a can or a bag.
Yeah, if you're getting up in the mornings, you want to go to church, you're going to work or school, you just want to spend the day shopping, you can throw it in a slow cooker.
There you go. Yeah.
And let it simmer. Yeah, because you've got everything. All you're doing is marrying all those spices and everything. Thank you for coming and showing
I'm
and
glad I
making
came.
this for me.
It was fun.
I certainly appreciate it. And we're going to go enjoy our
belly full.
chili. Get our belly full. That's right. We might have a second bowl.
Ooh, doggy. Let's do it. I'm going to go enjoy my chili.
Go enjoy your chili. But let's show them this. And, whoops, sorry about that. Book number 2. Book number 1, still available. Yeah, I've told you that's my baby.
Book 2. Book 1.
Yes. So I'll leave a link in the description box below this video where you can order book number 2 and book number 1. And y'all go check them out if you haven't. I certainly appreciate it.
Yep.
We have lots more recipes in this book. And
Sounds good.
color pictures. You see family
Color
that you've
pictures,
not
yep.
seen. And of course, all of my children's in there and the grandchildren.
Yeah.
And but y'all check it out. We certainly appreciate it. Thanks for joining us in our kitchen today. And we certainly hope you'll come back. And we enjoy having every one of you with us. Please like, share, subscribe to our videos, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when we put out another video. You going to come back and cook with me again soon?
Yep. You know, I'm looking forward. I like looking at the comments. So comment on them too.
Yeah, say something to us. We
Yeah.
like to read the comments. And even if we don't respond, y'all know
Yeah.
we do read every single one of them.
And let us know if you made it or made any of the dishes. Even on a current video, if you made an old one, go tell us what you made.
Yeah, tell us what you make and what you thought about it. That's what we like to hear. All right, thanks everybody, and we'll see you soon.